welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review for you. Today this product is from KeaBabies, and this video is going to include me and Kai. We're going to be reviewing this product that they sent me. If you don't know about KeaBabies, just to start off, they are a high-end baby brand. They have a lot of nice baby products where they have breast pads, breastfeeding covers, a lot of really nice baby bags. They have a really lot of nice things. So I'm just going to post their link below. I want you to follow them on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all their social media sites. I'm going to list it below. KeaBaby, don't forget. I'm also going to list the link to their store. So let's get into this video. Okay, so I breastfeed, so I don't really go out that much, but I needed a breast shield. So when they hit me up to do a review, I was so excited because something on their site I needed. So I was scrolling through their site. Their site is very easy to manage, very easy to look at, to work on. It's easy. It's an easy site to it's an easy site to navigate. Hey. It's an easy site to navigate. So when they said I could choose an item, I chose this for breastfeeding. I'm going to show you guys how it works. So the box, this is the box. It's a really cute box. I like it. It's very simple and small. Inside of the box, you have this little thank you card, which is really nice. So let's actually get into a product. So this is how it is. I noticed that it has straps on it like that. Now this one is actually a all-in-one. So you pull it out. Oh, this is actually just the bag to put this in. How neat. You can take it anywhere you want. That's why I needed something I could take to the what? You like this? He over here talking, y'all. Look at him smiling. You like this? This is for you. This is for you, fat man. Yes. They sent this to mommy so we can breastfeed in public. Yeah. So this, I decided to get the striped one. They have many different styles and everything, but this is how this one goes. So as you can see up at the nape, it kind of goes in a little bit. It's a little tighter, and then it flares out like this, like a shirt, and it's like a tube. So basically I would put this over. I'll actually go ahead and put it on to show y'all how it works. Oh, and it's very soft and very comfortable, so I like that. So it doesn't have any arms on it. Oh, look. So it's perfect. Actually, it's about time for him to eat, so I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how easy it is to feed with this KeaBaby on. Let me back up a little bit. Definitely covers a lot, and it has room for the baby. It has room for the baby. Yes. So it definitely has room for him also. So I'm going to go ahead and begin to nurse him, and then I'll finish talking about this video. So yeah. Alright, y'all. So I have him under here nursing. As you can see, you can't see through it, so you won't be able to see your breast. Well, people won't be able to see your breast, which is really good. It's very comfortable and light, y'all, and it's soft material, and it's very roomy, so the baby is able to breathe. Like, it's not smothering him. He's not getting too hot. And other than that, you're just able to nurse in public. Anywhere that you need to nurse, you're able to do that. So I'm so happy that they sent me this. I really love this material, y'all. I know I keep talking about it, but this material is like super soft, so I love it. Now it did not take them long at all for the shipping. It only took them probably, like, I would say 2 days at the most. I did not expect it to come as quick as it did, but it came really quick, so I was super excited about that. And that's definitely one of the things that I always talk about when I review items, is how fast it came in shipping, because everybody wants their items like within 5 days. I would say within 5 days. Anything over that would be considered like a long time. But with me getting this product within 2 days. Like, I'm super happy. The communication was great. Like, they had great communication. I will definitely review more items for them anytime, because this shield is, I noticed that they have some really nice baby bags. Like, their baby bags are so nice, and it's just like the way it looks is very fashionable. It's not plain and ugly. It's very cute and mommy, like cute mom. That's the vibes it gives me, like a cute mom, a key baby. I seen online where a mom wore this as a skirt, and it's definitely big enough to wear as a skirt. So that's one way you can wear it, is as a skirt. You can use it like this to just, as a breastfeeding shield. Is it called? As a breastfeeding cover. You can also put it over their car seat. When it's cold outside, it'll protect them from the wind. So I'm going to show you guys how to put it over, well, how I put it over his car seat, so you can see also that's a way you can use it. Another way that I just noticed that you can use it for them, well, for another way that I noticed you can do it, you can take it like this, fold it, and then you have a blankie for the baby. Yes, you got a blankie. You got a blankie. So this is great, y'all, for creating just wonderful moments, a wonderful bond with your baby. You don't have to worry about breastfeeding in public, because you have this, and this is creating a wonderful moment for you and your baby, and a wonderful bond. So, oh, I'm sorry, you didn't want me to move that. You didn't want me to remove it. So he likes it. So not only mama likes it, but baby likes it. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so thank you guys for watching this review. Thank you guys for watching this review. Remember, parenting is awesome. Sleep is so overrated. And every day is an adventure. That's exactly why you should go to KeaBabies.com to copy some merchandise or a new product. Thanks for watching.